Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share the recipe of one of my favorite drinks, rose milk. I learned how to make rose milk today and it is a very simple, delicious recipe. So let's get started. So first we are going to prepare the rose milk syrup. So for that you need sugar, 1.5 cups, water, 1 cup, and I use this cup to measure out 1.5 cups of sugar. Next we need rose essence, or in this case it says rose flavor, and food color. And now you can add food color or you can totally skip it, it's optional. So let's get started. So first we are going to add sugar to a saucepan. Then we'll add 1 cup of water. Now we are going to turn on to high flame. Now turn on the flame to high flame. And put your saucepan on top and keep stirring until the sugar has completely dissolved. As you can see, it has started boiling now. Now you have to lower the flame to low flame. Yeah, too much low. Oh well. And you have to keep stirring it for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going to see whether it came to the perfect consistency. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now we'll take just a few drops of that sugar syrup and put it in the water. And now we need to see if it's a little sticky. If it is, then it's the perfect consistency. It doesn't seem like it's sticky, but if you can feel it sticky, then it's good. So now turn off the flame and take your food coloring and add a little bit. My hands were a little wet, so that's why the food color stuck to my fingers. But make sure your hands are dry. And now you need to mix it. Look how pretty that looks. But not my hands though. After 5 minutes, we add 1/4 teaspoon of rose essence and give it a mix. And we have to let the rose milk syrup to completely cool down, and then only we can proceed to the next step. So as you can see, now it has completely cooled down. We are going to transfer it to an airtight container, and it will last for a month if you keep it in the refrigerator. It's ready. Now let's prepare the rose milk. So I'm using chilled milk. So let's add it. And we are going to use half a ladle of our rose syrup and give it a nice stir. Let's give it a stir. Oop, it's splashing. Yikes. Okay, it's not looking that flavorful in my opinion. So I'm going to add a little more rose milk syrup, and I'm going to give it another stir. Now I'm going to pour it in my mug. Yum! Doesn't it look delicious? Well, it looks plain, but it looks delicious in my opinion. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!